Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can view page side by side in Canva. So I will show you in this tutorial. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. You can see I have some pages here. Okay, so there is a no direct option to view page side by side, but you can use that grid options, grid view. You need to just go to the grid view here. You can see all your pages. Okay, now what we can do, you can see side by side page. You can also reposition that pages. Just select that page which you want to repositions and hold it and drag to the position where you want. Okay, like this. So if you want to compare or view this page, these two page, then you can just change that page position like this, and now can view it. Okay, and there is one more option, one more thing you can do. Go to this three dot options and you can zoom in. Okay, zoom in the pages. Okay, now you can see that two page side by side. To check the alignments and what you want to compare, you can check like this. Okay, once you check, you can zoom in, zoom out. Like you need to make it 100%. Okay, now you can disable this grid views, or you can go to the full screen. Okay, so that is one option you can use to view page side by side in Canva. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.